so concealed in a field full of crack. The spine of the world is starting to slack. Stumble through the weeds, pick up the madcap. The mind is a map that I've started to scrap. Racing in patience, the waves begin to slow, dragging me to the places below. The breakdown is heavy, the stomach feels strange, like the blood in my veins has begun to exchange. The city is a hum of 1,000 dead wires, a flicker of false and forgotten desires. The room is a carousel, a spinning of light. So I drift to the forest, to the edge of the side. That nobody reads, written in sap, and the ghost of the seeds. The canopy arches like a bone-colored sky, where the how and the when come to wither and die. The air is a liquid, the shadows are deep. The architect spun, but here in the timber, the many are one. And if you see a tree fall and it doesn't make a sound, don't be worried, it just means you're not found. You're the absence of a way, you're the silence of prayer in the other place. The lungs breathe the air through the threshold where time and the space erase, bringing you finally face to face with the pulse of the pulse, the depth of the well, greater than any story that mortal could tell. Beyond the pride and the greed and the joy, the ancient design that the world can't destroy. The wishing well, it isn't a hole in the ground, it's the echo of a truth that was never a sound. Erase the name, erase the birth, become the gravity, become the earth. A field full of crap.